Hey guys, welcome to Solved Gadgets. Today's video features 6 amazing things that are on the next level. Guys, what if I told you that this amazing device could transform anything into a speaker? Ever come across a trendy iPad cover with a secret keyboard? Have you ever seen such incredible displays on a PC table? Take into account this item and the other fantastic ones we will display. Let's jump to the video for further details. The F8 bone conduction wireless speakers are the smallest and most versatile in the world, giving you a different but always spectacular sound experience anywhere, in any environment, in the size of a palm, yet with the power and high sound quality. And there are a variety of RGB lighting effects. Turn anything hollow into a speaker anytime, anywhere. F8 is built in 24 colorful light beads, and the intensity of the lights and colors will flash with the rhythm and volume of the music. You can adjust the lighting effect through the light mode and light color buttons on the side of the bone conduction wireless speaker. The multifunction speaker lets you listen to music, follow podcasts, have one-on-one phone conversations or conference calls, and even enjoy a stunning sound experience while playing games, videos, or movies on your device. You can test and enjoy different sounds, almost like using different instruments. Placing it on different surfaces such as glasses, guitars, craft paper boxes, plastic storage boxes, photo frames, sports headphones, and even dashboards will give you various of sound effects. It delivers high volume, 4 to 5 times louder than regular phone speakers, up to 115 decibels, and lets you personalize the sound quality. You can keep it in your purse or pocket or hang it around your neck in a necklace or keychain. Its diameter is only 31 millimeters, weight is only 48 grams, slightly larger than a coin. It's like a hummingbird, small but powerful. FlipBook Case. In addition to looking more stylish than other bags, the FlipBook Case for iPad with Magic Keyboard provides you additional utility with your tablet. In fact, when you attach your Magic Keyboard to it, it enables you to work effortlessly with your keyboard and tablet as one unit. It is practical to use on the move because of its design, which opens like a book, and you can effortlessly close it up while you're ready to go by folding it together. Apart from offering a worry-free way to carry and create with your devices, the unique iPad bag features a minimalist, an elegant design combining on classic black carbon fiber and leather to go with your working style. The FlipBook Case is as stylish and sleek as you'd come to expect from Pitaka brand products. Woven from premium carbon fiber cloth and leather, the sleeve offers protection and unique tactile texture with exceptional comfort. The back and the Magic Keyboard will be tightly and seamlessly attached to work as a stable workstation after installation. Due to strong and traceless poo gel pads that can be reusable up to 100 times and 50 times reusable after being washed in water with similar effectiveness. lixl. The woven high-tech textile transforms pixels into curved lines that create an impressive depth of field. This depth varies with the brightness of the lines, forming a new dimension for breathtaking light effects. Let these arches dance in dynamic response to your mood, music, and games. The lixl Creative Studio uses premium materials and meticulous manufacturing processes to provide long-lasting pleasure. The way the light bounces off the cloth gives the impression that it is three-dimensional, yet it is not. It is absolutely awesome. It's extremely cool how the light changes depending on how bright the lines are. It gives the impression that the displays are alive. They move in time with the games and the music speeds. It's really great. lixl Lights link to its app to help you design the atmosphere you want. You can also connect lixl to games, your smart home, and a range of other devices. As a result of the software's open source nature, you have access to all settings. In every smart living room, regardless of your gaming or streaming setup, lixl always generates the ideal lighting atmosphere. No matter where you place your lixl, it adds enchantment to the room. Lean it against the wall or hang it up to enjoy the artistic lighting effects. lixl is built using durable, high-quality materials. It is manufactured in such a way that individual parts can be easily replaced if worst comes to worst. That's why they offer spare parts to keep lixl always shining. Olight Obulb Pro. The Olight Obulb Pro multicolor light gives you control over your illumination. Providing a practical wireless design, it pairs with an app on your smartphone through Bluetooth. You can effortlessly switch between settings, alter brightness levels, and choose colors with the connected app. Additionally, you can use the app to view the runtime and battery life of your device. The application also offers data sharing and group control for up to 8 groups. This light, which measures 2.56 by 2.28 inches and weighs only 3.7 ounces, has a runtime of up to 84 hours. also boasting a 240 lumen maximum output. Choose from 7 different color selections, including warm white light, red, green, and blue light, cycling red light, and fading light. It's actually perfect for gatherings, reading at night, camping, children's night lights, and more. Attach the Obulb Pro wherever you need light with the accompanying adhesive metal badge. Lego Eiffel Tower. Lego Eiffel Tower is a building block set for adults. With the Lego Eiffel Tower construction block set, you may expand your Lego experience. This adult-sized Lego set, which has 10,000 pieces and is 5 feet tall, is the series showpiece model for travel and history. In actuality, there are 4 components to this collectible model. Your understanding of Gustave Eiffel's engineering brilliance will also be enhanced by the design. The decor of this 360-degree replica of the Eiffel Tower includes arches. Parisian light posts, benches, trees, and plants are included in the ground features. Are you prepared to advance mobile gaming to a different level? With the cutting-edge motion controllers and high-definition haptics, Bluetooth Console revolutionizes the mobile industry. Simply pair your Bluetooth-enabled device with your smartphone or tablet, select one of the fantastic games, and start playing. Playing is dynamic, immersive, and super fun thanks to AI motion detection, which also identifies physical gestures, since the movement of the brush as it hits the canvas or the vibration of the sword as it slashes through the air. Playing Odoo has become a highly engaging experience thanks to a development in HD haptics. Don't play dull games at home. Actually, you can play in a place. Utilizing the Odoo console, which encourages youngsters to get off the sofa and enjoy themselves in ways they love, and it improves your children's quality of life. Discover the ultra-clear display, vibrant LED, smooth trackpad, magnetic charging trigger button, motion sensors, and haptic sensations that will wow you. Embracing the Scandinavian aesthetic of quality and simplicity, everything is packed inside a sturdy, water and dust-resistant sleek design that allows you to use it outside in all weather. Even your granny can use the patent-pending technology because of its simple design. You can get all the gaming experiences at new levels on the Odoo Games app. Anything from sandbox games and huge world adventures to artistic minigames and courtyard stalwarts. The best part is that there are a ton of games coming out. You'll have incredible games for years to come thanks to other developers making games for the platform as well. Making children and families delighted is the main goal of Odoo. Additionally, it is guaranteed that your children will have great play experiences and discoveries thanks to the experienced team of specialists from across the world. You must be wondering how it works after watching the entire video. It consists of 3 steps. Step 1, connect it with a smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth and play it anywhere. Step 2, select what you want to play in the Odoo Game app. With each game, players explore and improve different skills. Step 3, use the smartphone's GPS to discover hotspots and the Odoo console to control the in-game actions.